everybody, I'm back, the Keto Treat Snack Man, and guess what I got for y'all this time? Chocolate chip cookies with milk. Can't do any better than that, and it's keto style. Yo, I'm back. It's Phelan, Keto Treat Man. How y'all doing? Today, this week, Tuesday, I got chocolate chip cookies with milk. Can't beat that for a treat, for a snack. All you moms out there that are in a quick hurry to make something for your kids instead of going out and getting those Chips Ahoy with tons of fat, all you gotta do is grab some of these Quest bars. I got one here, it's cookies and cream, chocolate chip cookie dough. Now we all know we could just eat these regular, right? That's a great treat. But let's spice it up a little bit. Let's make some cookies out of them. So, what we gotta do with these bars, I'll show you a little picture of the cookies right here. Don't those look good? Dipped in milk or however you wanna eat them. But what we do is we just take one of these bars, cut them into little squares, put them on a baking sheet, throw them in the oven for 350, about 3 to 5 minutes. You want to take them out, they're warm and soft, flatten them down a little bit more, get them, into a cookie shape, throw them back in the oven for another 3 to 5 minutes. Keep checking them because you don't want to burn them, and they go quick, they cook quick, I mean. But we'll show you all that at the end. We got the recipe and how we did it, so you don't have to worry about that. But anyway, I discussed the Quest bars. You guys all know about these. 4 net carbs it says, but true count is about 6. I looked it up on the internet. You can't deduct all that sugar and fiber or whatever, but it's pretty close to 4. So, but I made this. What do we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cookies. Great number.
8.
8?
Yeah, I made it into 8 pieces.
Oh, I can't count. Great job. All right, 8 little pieces. Between this is about 5 carbs, and this 8 ounce, or whatever.
Yep,
it's a cup of milk. It's about a half a carb because it's the almond milk. You always want to use almond milk. Of course, you guys know that. So yeah, 5.5 carbs for everything here, the cookies and the milk. And I'll show you a couple of these up close. They're still nice and hot. Here's one right here. Here's another one. Nice and hot from the oven. These are keto cookies from the Quest bars. All right, so let's try these. I haven't even tried it yet. I've never tried these. I've only ate the bars regular. But let's try it here. Oh my gosh. That is good. That's a really good cookie. And it's still a little soft too. But let's try this. Oh, look at this with the almond milk. I wanted to say coconut milk. Almond milk and cookies. You finish all this and it's only 5.5 carbs. Come on. You can't beat that. And I think it's been about a month for me since I started keto. I've already lost about 15 pounds. It's not flying off me as fast as anybody else that starts the diet, because I already kind of started off skinny, so it's taken me a little time to get it off, but I'm doing really good. I took a before picture and an after picture, which you guys will see, I don't know, maybe in about a month to 2 months maybe. I'll let you see that, and you're going to be astonished. Believe me, you will. But anyway, the keto's doing good for me. I love these treats. I think next week I'm going to do a salty treat because I've been doing a lot of sweets, the strawberries, stuff like that. I do have a couple ideas, maybe some chips maybe, but we found out some other items that we can buy that's keto, so you'll be surprised about that. Yeah, so you guys got to try these. You know who I really think should try one of these? Is Angel from Angel's Heavenly Nails. Where is she? Angel! You want to try one of these cookies?
Yeah, I'll try one.
Oh, there you are. How are you? Where have you been? I haven't seen you forever.
Waiting to try a cookie. Hi, everyone. God, am I getting dark.
Look at how dark she's getting.
I am getting tan because I'm getting set up for a video in 2 weeks. You guys are going to love an outfit of the day.
I love these cookies.
My turn.
Oh, I got chocolate in there.
Yeah, that's okay. I want some with the milk.
They're like semi-soft and semi-hard. It's kind of like that's kind of how I like it, because then you can whoever likes them hard, whoever likes them soft, they get both of them.
I actually like that better than just eating the bar. It does taste like a chocolate chip cookie, more on the crunchy side. Like if you're a person that does like a crunchier cookie for a chocolate chip, right there.
I know, because eating those bars can be so bland sometimes.
Yeah, the bars are really chewy and kind of hard to eat sometimes. When you make it into a cookie,
you're like yanking on it, and then it just doesn't taste as good as these, though.
No.
You know, that is really good.
That tastes good with the almond milk.
And this one is the chocolate chip cookie dough flavor. Like I said, you can make it out of any Quest flavor cookies.
I have no idea why I was dripping over here.
But that's such a low carb treat. I mean, it's
very good, everybody. Very, very good. It is, and like he was saying, perfect to give a child because they'd never know the difference. And you're saving them on fat and carbs and everything. And now they get to come home from school, or now the kids are out of school, they get to have cookies and milk. Well, it's not milk though, almond milk. But anyways, let my husband finish up his video. And we'll see you guys later.
Oh, that's it? No kiss this time? Okay. Screw you too. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I don't know. I mean, I don't know what else to say, you know. I mean, this is just so good. And, you know, you guys got to try it. And you guys should get like a case of these bars and just like make a huge bowl of these cookies. So then you don't have to do it later or whatever. But it's so good. So try this out. I missed all you guys. I gotta get running because I got a lot of stuff to do right now. Otherwise, I would stay and talk with you guys and tell you a bunch of jokes or whatever. Oh, one quick joke. Green Bay Packers. That was the joke there. And the reason why is because the Vikings rule and the Packers drool. I'm out.